welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to show you part 2 of my 2024 Christmas craft series so that I can give you some good ideas for your craft fairs and show you what I'm making for mine. The first thing I have are these cute little poppets, and they are keychains. So I got, they come in an assorted pack. So there's these dinosaurs for the boys and the unicorns for the girls. I had these on my Halloween videos also, and they were Halloweens. There was like ghosts and bats. So I thought these were really cute. So I will put my Amazon link in the description box. The link may not be working, but I will put what it's called at least. So I put them in just these little fold over seal bags. You know, the top folds over, you pull off the sticky, and then it self seals. So they're $3 each, and I just put a little bag of M&Ms. And then I got these Grinch stickers at Hobby Lobby. And like I said, I'm selling these for $3. So I will put these poppets in my description box, okay, for my Amazon link. And the next thing I found, I kind of accidentally found these on Amazon, and I'm so glad I did because they are so cute. And I don't remember how many you get. I know you get a lot. I'm going to say like maybe 40 or 50, but there's all different kinds. But oh my gosh, you guys, I was so excited to show you these. Look, it's a chapstick holder, and you can hook it onto your keychain or your purse, or the kids could put them on their backpacks. Anyway, and then I bought this design in Etsy, and then I just added in Merry Christmas, and then a little Hershey candy bar, and they're $6. That's what I'm selling them for, is $6. So I'll open one so I can show you. So I got the chapstick holders on Amazon, and then I also got the lip balm on Amazon. This kind is peppermint. And look how it just tucks down in there. I think those are so cute. Okay, so I'll show you all the kinds that you get when you order. Okay, so here's the gingham, the black and white gingham. This one is Santa. And blue with white snowflakes. Green with reindeer. Red with some Christmas trees. This is my favorite, but I'm into gingerbread. So pink with gingerbread and candy canes. And then blue with red poinsettias. So these are just so fun and easy to put together. And that's what I like, is quick and easy. You'll notice a lot of my items are what I call quick and easy. Okay. The next thing I have, oh, here's one more. This is the red and black checked gingham. Isn't that one cute? Okay, next I have these stretchy bracelets, and I had these for Halloween. So I bought these Christmas ones, again from Amazon. So I've just got a stretchy bracelet with a Kit Kat candy bar, and then this is a clip art I bought on Etsy and then cut it out on my silhouette. And you get a lot of these. I want to say 50 in an order. I'm selling these for $2. Okay, so there's that one that says Merry Christmas. This green one says Happy Holidays. And there's a whole bunch of different kinds that come in, and I just grabbed 3 of them. And then Merry Christmas, and those were the lights. So I thought those were really fun, and again, very easy to put these together, okay? And I will have those also in my description, okay? For this particular video, I have one more item. And unfortunately, you guys, I found these on Instagram. It was an Instagram ad that popped up. But I'm sure you can get these on Temu or AliExpress. But let me open one. I just think they're so cute. I've got a lot of chapstick things this year for some reason. You'll notice when you see all my videos. So look at this, a Tumblr mug. And again, put it on a keychain, a backpack, a purse. But look, you guys, the lid comes off. And chapstick, it holds a container of chapstick. And it's the same chapstick that I bought that I showed you on the last item from Amazon. And then I've just put it in there with Hershey's Kisses. Okay, and then I'll talk to you about the poem as soon as I get this done. Okay, so if you've been watching my videos, you've heard me mention ChatGPT, and I will put the link for that in my description. So I just went into ChatGPT and I said, write me a short poem about a little tumbler mug that holds chapstick. And this is the poem it wrote. In your pocket or bag, it's always near a chapstick holder bringing cheer. A simple twist and lips are set, a little comfort you won't forget. So I just typed that up in my Silhouette and cut them out. And then I've just got them on here with that double-sided. Oh, I didn't do the foam tape on this. This is just one of these right here. I just used one of these glue rollers and just rolled it on the back and then stuck it on. But these came, I think I bought about 40. And they came in all different colors. So there's red, pink, light blue, white, purple, black, green, and then I brought another pink one. I thought it would even be cute. You could even put a sticker on the mug itself. Or if you have a business and you want to advertise your business, put your logo sticker on the front of the tumbler. I just think these are so cute. I can't even stand it. I already took out all the colors I want and saved for some Christmas presents. But yeah, I think if you just get on, because I'm sure these probably came from Temu. It's just that I bought them from somebody that was advertising. But if you got on Temu and just typed in, oh, plastic tumbler chapstick holder or something like that, these might come up, or even maybe even in Google. Oh, and I'm selling these for $5.50. They're definitely plastic, you know. You can tell that they're not a super high quality, but yet they're going to hold up. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're very sturdy, but I just felt like I couldn't go much higher than $5.50. And maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I could have gone higher, but I don't know. In my book, it's always safer to be a little bit cheaper, knowing that I'm going to sell everything, than to get stuck with it and have to store it for a year. Okay, that's everything for this video. So please join me for another one, and I hope you liked what you saw today. And as I said, I'll put the descriptions or the links in my description box, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye for now.